Happy holidays. Chef Nick, y'all. We back. We got our turkey washed and cleaned. Check out that video of how to properly defrost your turkey. So we took it out the fridge. We washed and cleaned it. Took the insides out. You see the guts right here and everything. All that stuff. The neck and everything. So we took that out. Washed and cleaned it. Trimmed it up. So now we're getting ready to make our turkey. I'm putting on some gloves. We're going to stuff it inside of it and season it. Alright, so we got some salt and pepper already made, put to the side. Make sure you avoid cross-contaminating your regular salt that you use for everything else, and your pepper, your containers, and cabinet doorknobs and everything like that, by just getting your seasoning on the side. Ready to go, so you can just pick it up, put it over top of it. Yeah, I'm good to go. Alright, so that's our salt and pepper. That's the only thing we're going to be using besides our lemon herb butter, the seasoning, and these aromatics. Alright, so our lemon herb butter, we made this because you want everything prepped and ready to go. So we got some lemon juice, salt and butter, a stick and a half of grass-fed butter. So, and just salt, pepper, lemon juice, and fresh sage. That's it. Alright, we got our aromatics. We got a half a lemon that we're going to put inside. We got some sage. We got some sage, rosemary, and I'm going to add some thyme to this too, but not right now. I got to get out the fridge, and I'm working with raw meat, so. But add some thyme in it too. We got some celery. Carrots, add that right on in there. Just stuff it in there, be alright, ain't going nowhere. Garlic, we just cut a whole head of garlic in half. Put it right on in there. You just rough chop your vegetables, clean them and rough chop them, put them in there. You don't even have to peel if you don't want to. Alright, so 9 times out of 10, you're not going to use this. You can use the garlic, but you're not going to use these after they're cooked. They're going to be cooked down anyway, but you need that seasoning from the inside out for your turkey to be flavorful. Alright, so we got our turkey that's stuffed. So now, what we're going to do is take some olive oil just for the top. But I want this salt and pepper to stick that we about to rub down the outside with. So I'm going to keep a clean hand and a non-clean hand. Alright, so just rub it down with some of that olive oil. Extra virgin, of course. Cold press. Cold press. And where is it from? Product of Spain. You want to make sure your olive oil is only from one country. If it's more than one country, then your olive oil most likely is fake. Do your research. Don't quote me, don't sue me, but do your research. Alright, get some oil on these. It's awful too. That's the liver, kidney, heart, neck. That's going to all add to your gravy. So you can add that stuff to your gravy, let it roast down, chop it down, pour the meat off the neck, add it to your gravy. That's if you make, it's called the gibbet gravy, where you got the liver and stuff in there. But that's if you use them parts. Alright, so we're going to add this salt and pepper. Just sprinkle some over the top. Take some in your hand. You want to push some inside too, because you want to season the inside too. Alright, so we're just going to sprinkle this salt and pepper right on the outside to coat this bad boy. And everything is going to get the lemon herb butter. And then we're going to put it into a 325 degree oven for about 5 hours. Maybe 4. But definitely 4 guarantee. You want to make sure the internal temperature at the inside this part, the die, that's the part you want to be in for your thermometer. And taking the temperature, you want it to be at least I'm not even going to say 165. That's what the government will tell you. But I'm going to tell you at least 180 or more above to make sure your turkey is done. So at least 180 or above. That's what I'm going to tell you. You want it inside this part. That's the thickest part of your turkey. You want it inside there, and inside this leg. You got the thigh right here, and you got the leg right here, breast, the wings. And I fold my wing tips in. That way, they don't burn. So they protect it because they're underneath the bird. And juices and fat will drip down into the bottom, and you can use them juices to make your gravy and all that the foundation. So, all right. So now we got our lemon herb. We got our lemon herb butter we just made. So go ahead, get something on the outside. It'll melt in the oven. Don't say it's not melted. It's fine. So we use the mixer, y'all. We with the paddle attachment, we mix it, and the blender we whipped it. We actually kind of whipped it, but we didn't use the whisk because if you use the whisk attachment on your mixer, your KitchenAid, then you're gonna have to get that butter out in between it. So no, too much. So the paddle was the best. Alright, so we're going to take some butter, the lemon herb butter. Put some right the insides of it real good. And I'm actually not hosting this year. I'm taking this to my aunt and uncle house. And my uncle said, bring it whole. He said, don't cut it. So it will be whole. Easy for me. Yeah. Breathtaking soul, y'all. Hit that like, comment, subscribe. Happy holidays. We making this turkey. Alright, so this is important. You want to take your time because now you got to go underneath the skin with that lemon herb butter to keep this breast meat moist. So take your time and slowly take your fingers and just go in between. You don't want to rip the skin. If you rip the skin, you're going to mess up your presentation on your turkey, and then you're going to leave the breast too unprotected. So just be gentle. Go back as far as you can. You don't have to worry about going all the way back. It's butter, so it will melt and spread throughout. Just don't rip that skin. Don't do it. You're going to be mad at yourself. Just don't do it. Alright, so we're going to take some of that lemon herb butter. Look, we're not on a diet. It's Thanksgiving. I'm sorry. There's no healthy Thanksgiving. I'm sorry. Not doing it. We're using butter, real butter, y'all. We're getting the benefits of it being grass-fed, and we're getting the benefits of the aromatics, the fresh herbs, the sage, okay? We're using real ingredients, okay? This is real butter, real lemon juice, so we're going to get them benefits, but we're going to use butter. And plus, we use olive oil, so that's extra benefits, too, so. All right, you want to get that butter inside there, underneath that breast. Remember, don't rip that skin. Don't rip that skin. Don't do it. You're going to be mad at yourself. And just take your fingers and smooth it out without ripping that skin. Alright. Got a little bit more. We don't want to be wasteful. We're going to need all of this flavor. Now, you can do your turkey any type of way, but this is one of my favorites. It's just lemon and herbs. Lemon and sage. Classic flavors. Man, that bad boy look good. It's ready to go in the oven. It's the hardest part, y'all. The easy part is coming up. The oven going to take care of the rest. And get whatever you got left down here on this awful. Because you want to lubricate it. Don't mean this. You want to make sure it's not dry. I don't want to say that word. You want to make sure it's not dry. Alright. Yeah. Woohoo! Alright, so we got our turkey seasoning ready to go. We're going to put this in the 325 degree preheated oven for 4 to 5 hours. And we're doing 325 because we want to go nice and slow and we don't want it to dry out by rushing it and cooking it. So you do a low temperature. That way you just give it more time. That way you end up with your bird being moist. And at the end, as you will see, because you're going to baste it with the juices. So all that butter and fat from the turkey and the olive oil and the juice from the aromatics, the vegetables going to start to come out. So we're going to take that and we're going to baste the turkey with it as it cooks. So that's going to slowly brown the crust, and it's going to also keep it moist. Alright. So, yeah. So we're going to get this bad boy in the oven, y'all. A bad boy in the oven. Breathtaking Soul, Chef Nick. Thanksgiving special. Herb. Lemon. Herb. Turkey. On the way. Woo! I'll check back with y'all.